The concept behind the blur image. An image is worth 1,000 words. The quality of the image is of prime importance in many situations, especially from human perception. But many a times we are forced to deal with blurred images with a degraded quality. So it becomes crucial to understand the concept of a blurred image in order to handle it better. An edge in an image corresponds to a region where there is a sudden jump in intensity value. In case of a binary image, the change may be from a 0 to 1 or vice versa. The edges of a quality image will be very sharp. In case of a blurred image, the edges resembles a ramp-like structure rather than a sudden jump. Hence, we are left with a band of intensity values to identify an edge point. That is, any value in this band will contribute to an edge point. The blurring may be caused due to many reasons: movement during the image capture, out of focus optics, or a short exposure time. A blurred image may be improved by a deblurring process where the band of image edge is reduced to a minimum possible. The deblurring concept is of great help to many image enhancement applications, especially medicine and satellite images, where the recapture of images may be at high risk or highly expensive or may not be possible at times.